If you've made your first $100 with AI, or you're close to it, here's the real question. How do you turn that into $1,000? Because making your first $100 is just the beginning. But most people get stuck there. They don't know what to do next. They stop, or they start trying random things again. And they lose momentum. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I would do to turn $100 into $1,000 using AI. Step by step. And once you understand this, you'll realize something powerful. You don't need new ideas, you need to scale what already works. Let's be real. Making your first $100 feels exciting. But it also creates a new problem. Now you're thinking, how do I grow this? How do I make more? And this is where most people make mistakes. They abandon what worked and start over. That's the wrong move. Let's fix that. Step 1. Do more of what worked. If something made you $100, that means it works. But most people ignore this. They start chasing new ideas, new tools, new strategies. The fastest way to $1,000 is not new ideas. It's repetition. If you made $100 from writing, keep writing. If you made it from content, keep creating. Scale what works, don't replace it. Step 2. Increase your output. Now we increase volume. If you made $100 with one task per day, now do 2 or 3. Use AI to speed things up. Instead of one script right pointing arrow, do 3. One post right pointing arrow, do 5. AI allows you to do more in less time. This is your advantage. Step 3. Improve your quality. Now we don't just do more. We do better. Because higher quality equals higher value. And higher value equals more money. So instead of basic work, you improve clarity, structure, presentation. Instead of basic blog post, you deliver better formatting, better readability, better structure. Better work equals higher pay. Step 4. Increase your price. This is where many people hesitate. You stay at low prices because you're afraid. But here's the truth. If people are paying you, you can charge more. Start small. Increase gradually. Example. $10 right pointing arrow, $20, $20 right pointing arrow, $30. Confidence grows with results. Step 5. Build simple systems. Now we remove repetition. You don't want to start from scratch every time. So you create systems. Templates, reusable structures, saved prompts. This saves time and increases consistency. Systems create scale. Step 6. Get more clients or views. Now we expand reach. If you're freelancing, reach more clients. If you're doing content, create more videos. Because more exposure equals more opportunities. Growth comes from visibility. Step 7. Repeat the process. Now you repeat everything. More output, better quality, higher price, more reach, and over time, you move from $100 right pointing arrow, $300 right pointing arrow, $500 right pointing arrow, $1,000. Reality, it's not one big jump. It's small steps. Let's be honest. Most people start strong, lose focus, try new things, quit, and that's why they stay stuck. Stay with what works long enough to go from $100 to $1,000. Do more, do better, charge more, reach more, repeat. That's it. Simple, but powerful. Once you reach $1,000, everything changes. You gain confidence, clarity, momentum, and now, you're no longer guessing. You're building. If you've made your first $100, you're already ahead. Now your job is simple. Don't stop. Don't restart. Don't overthink. Just scale what works. Because that's how you grow. If you want more videos like this, real, simple, actionable, subscribe to the channel. Because here, we focus on what actually works. And in the next video, I'll show you how to go beyond $1,000 and build something bigger.